Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Framer CMS for dynamic product and blog layouts step by step clearly. To activate Framer CMS for dynamic product and blog layouts, begin by logging into your Framer account. Navigate to your project dashboard. In the sidebar, locate and click on the CMS tab. Select Create New Collection to start setting up your CMS. Choose a name for your collection, such as products or blog posts. Click Create to save your new collection. Next, define the fields that you want to include in this collection. For a product layout, fields might include title, price, image, and description. For a blog layout, consider fields like title, author, date, and content. After adding the necessary fields, click Save to confirm. Now, return to your project and open the page you want to edit. Drag and drop the CMS component from the Elements panel onto your page. Select the desired collection from the drop-down menu in the Properties panel. This will link the CMS data to your current layout. Customize the layout by choosing how to display each field. For products, you might want to display the image, title, and price prominently. For blog posts, consider showing the title, author, and a summary. Use Framer's design tools to adjust the spacing and sizing of each element. Once your layout looks the way you want, click on the Preview button to see how it will appear. If everything looks good, return to the editor. Now, it's time to populate your collection with content. In the CMS panel, click on Add Item to create a new entry. Fill out the fields with relevant information for each product or blog post. After adding all your items, click Publish to make the content live. Finally, review your page one more time in preview mode. Your dynamic product and blog layouts are now fully activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.